Hello. So our today's question is, the moment of force is F equals to 4I cap plus 5J cap minus 6K cap at 2, 0, minus 3. About the point 2, minus 2, minus 2 is given by, so here you can see the R. Here is the R naught and here is the displacement, which is R minus R naught. And here is where the force is being applied. So let's see. So the formula is R minus R naught into F. So here R minus R naught is 0I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap. Now to find tau, we see I cap, J cap and K cap. So we simply put the values 0, 2 and minus 1 in the first block and then 4, 5, 6 in the second block. Now 4, 5, 6 is actually the force which we can see here. 4I cap plus 5J cap minus 6K cap. So if you see that and do the matrix multiplication of this part, you will get your answer to be minus 7I cap minus 4J cap minus 8K cap. So that means that our answer is the fourth part. Thank you.